Okay, y'all, I got the bag, and it's actually hours later, but I needed to do the last part of this video. As y'all do know, this candle came out. Yes, yes, yes. So happy. I really was excited for this one. This is the salted caramel pretzel. Really super excited. This has been sitting in my car for a couple of hours because I actually just got off work, and I need to finish the video. The sit notes on salted caramel pretzel is baked soft pretzel, brown butter caramel, and sea salt. The label, as y'all do see, it has that gold thing, and the box is checked as being a new scent. Even though we have that salted pretzel milkshake, I think when I get home, I'm gonna compare that one. I want to compare the salted caramel candle just to see. This smells really good. This is giving me those chocolate covered pretzels, even though this does not have chocolate inside the note, but I don't know. But I'm getting a little bit of chocolate, and that's just my scent note. I mean, my scent palette is what I'm getting. And remember, everybody is going to interpret a candle different. Everybody's sense of smell is different. So we all going to say some of the, not the same stuff, but probably slightly different. I most definitely get like a salty chocolate type of pretzel. I like this. I like it. And I did grab a couple of these. My store had tons. And as y'all seen in the footage, my store actually still have some of the other releases. They still had like 7 of the bacon candles. They had like 6 of that sweater weather candle, and that martini candle, they had like 5 or 6 of those as well. So for some reason, I thought these candles would fly off the shelf, but they're not. I don't know. I might go and grab another martini candle. I might. I'm kind of thinking about it. Because I really like that one, and I really like this one. So far, it's this salted caramel pretzel one, and that chocolate espresso martini is my top 2 so far. This is good. I like this. I really like it. It's the chocolate that I'm smelling might just be that caramel, that sweetness, the sweetness from the caramel. That's probably what it is that I'm smelling. And as far as that pretzel note, I kind of get a pretzel note. Oh, this one seems stronger. Maybe this was in the sun a little bit more, because this is good. I like it. It's not like overly sweet. It's not like that, you know, like a very, very sugary scent. It's not like that. You most definitely get that pretzel, that caramel, slightly salty. This is good on cold. So I'm gonna burn this tonight to see what it gives me. If you love these type of candles, like the caramel, to me it's kind of heavy on the caramel. I do get that pretzel note, but for me, it's not really giving me like that bread. It's giving me more caramel, slightly salty. But it do remind me of those pretzels with the chocolate covering on them. I don't know what they call, because I don't usually go for that, because I don't really care for chocolate. But it's kind of putting me in the mind of that. I'm gonna compare this to my salted caramel, because I want to see if it's the same caramel that's in that one, that's in this one. And then I'm gonna compare it to my salted, what is it, that pretzel candle, the milkshake candle. I'm gonna compare it to that one as well, just to see if this is slightly like that. I know that they're gonna be in like the same family, because y'all already know Bath and Body Works just kind of take a little bit from here and take a little bit from there, and then they create a new candle. And I think that's what this is. I think this is just a little bit from other things to create this, because this isn't like nothing super special. It's not like it's like, wow, something new. Yes, it is a new label, but it most definitely smells like something that they have already had. So if you want this because it's one of those super limited edition type of thing, then yeah, go and get it before it sells out. I'm not sure if this will ever come back, but you got to get it while it's here if you want it. So I do recommend this on Code. It is nice. If you love those caramel sweet candles, you will love this. I like those type of candles, so I do love this. Yeah, I'm back again. Y'all remember I got this salted caramel pretzel candle, and I wanted to compare it to some of these other candles I got. This is so good. I really like this. This is so good for me. I most definitely get that salted caramel top note for me. So I wanted to compare it to the salted pretzel milkshake. I'm assuming that this is gonna be more of like a milky candle, you know, like a ice cream. You're gonna get those type of scent notes, and this is actually a new one. Yeah, this is more like a milk. The scent notes is not milk, but like ice cream. The scent notes in this is creamy vanilla ice cream, salted pretzel bites, and gooey chocolate drizzle. Yeah, this is not the same. Okay, and then I wanted to compare it to the salted caramel candle. The scent notes in this one is roasted chestnut, caramelized sugar, spiced rum. Caramelized sugar, chestnut, spiced rum. So yeah, I really wanted to see if the caramel in this would be the same as this. Oh, this is so good. And it kind of sort of smell like the same caramel. Kind of sort of in that same caramel family. But this is different. This is slightly different. But I think all of these candles is somewhat in the same family. This do have that rich caramel scent like this one. But this one, that's salted caramel. And this one has that caramelized sugar, which is caramel. We all know that. The roasted chestnut. So to me, these are very similar. As far as like that caramel note, I think they're kind of similar. Oh, this is so good. I love caramel candles. I just do. But this is good. I just wanted to kind of compare it to see if it was kind of sort of in that same caramel family. I don't think that they're alike, but they are similar. So that's my take on all three of these. If I had to say out of these two, which one is the closest, I feel like this one has that closer caramel note. These two has kind of sort of the same caramel note, but this one is like salty, and this one is just giving me that rich caramel. Oh, this is so good. And as far as this was just giving me like milkshake to me. I can actually barely smell it. Yeah, this one is kind of soft, and it's just giving me like a milkshake to me. So yeah, that's my take on this candle. Let me know, what do you think about this? And as y'all do see, it's a whole different day. So yeah, let me know, what do you think about this candle? Did you grab a few of these candles? I think it's really good. I grabbed a couple because, again, you never know with Bath and Body Works. It might come back, it might not come back. You just never know. It's best to just go with your first mind. If your first mind is telling you to grab a few, go ahead and do that, because you just never know. Yeah, because sometimes you never know. Even though a candle will come back, sometimes they change it a little bit, so it could be stronger, it could be lighter, it could be they added more of a certain scent notes. You just never know. So most of the time, what I do, if a candle comes out and I really like it, I make sure I get backups, and if it come out again, it just do. It's just that I know that I love this version. So leave in the comments, let me know, how many did you grab? Did you even grab this candle? What do you think? Do you think it smells similar to some of these other candles? Leave that down at the bottom. Let me know. What do you think? I just need to know what y'all think about this candle. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, hit the notification, follow me on all of my social media platforms. Also follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All that stuff do help my channel. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.